Thanks, man.
By the way you got that.
He's got one up there in the front too.
I know. I was just telling my friend the only place I've ever seen another one of these in Boyson was here.
Really?
And now we come here and there's fucking 2 of them.
I love them. Alright guys, 2021 YZ450FX. I rode the 2020. I rode the 2020 here last year. I did not like it. This bike is equipped with the recluse. Man, after coming off those KTMs, this thing feels like a tractor. And I don't mean power, I mean size, weight, applicability. Power's nice though. Something about power before stroke that I love. No, I love recluse clutches. I don't mind riding one of these. I would not want to race this in an off-road race for 2.5 hours. I can tell you that. At least not any kind of tight one. I mean, it still turns good. It's still super flexible. Rear end does not feel as planted as the KTMs with the TDS. I'm sorry, I just don't. I think without the recluse, I would probably hate this thing back here. With the recluse, it's not that bad. There's so much power, and it builds so quick that you almost just break traction if you try to get on it very hard. I'm going to take the 450F out on the moto track in a minute. We'll see. Maybe it's not as tight, maybe it's not as rough as last year. I like it a little better. I still could not own one of these over a KTM. I just couldn't do it. But thanks Yamaha for the opportunity to ride this. YZ450FX.